Hey guys, quick video, show you why I hate tankers and explain this wiring harness and why I had to replace it. From here till, oh, that snake right there, I had to clip it there, till right about there, pretty much stopped. That's what came from the factory. Here's where things get dicey. First off, I'm going to show you. This over here, all this yellow wire here, this is the power wire that led up to the headlights. It leads back here to some unknown disconnected wire and a pull-out switch. So far so good, right? Even got an inline fuse, something smart, right? And then you go up here and you got this junction with another just inexplicably disconnected wire, and that leads up to another switch. I don't know about you, but I really don't think headlights need two switches. So follow that on up and around up here, and oh look, it's hanging on by about 4 threads. Yeah. So to operate my headlights, I had to flick that switch on, then pull that knob out, and then my headlights would come on. Great, right? Yeah, except for the part where when my headlights came on, it grounded out my spark plug and the engine died. Pretty sure that's not supposed to happen. So, in short, I hate tankers, and that's why you want something done right, do it yourself. Hey guys, well, I got done with the Cub Cadet, got her all rewired. This will be the old start, cold start first for 2012 for me. How about that? Until next time.